Okay, welcome to New Tech Programming. This is the third video of the basic HTML playlist. This video is about HTML formatting text. Suppose you're reading your academic study book. Then you find an important line that probably comes to your exam. Simply, you just take a pen and underline the line, or use a highlighter to mark the line. Now, making a web page that contains all of the content of the book. Then you think, let's mark all the important lines like same as the book. But how? That is why HTML5 has text formatting elements. These are all the tags that we talk about in this video. Before we start, let's talk about comments. It works as a note for the HTML file. Suppose you are working on a web project with a team. Multiple developers are working on the HTML file. To avoid confusion in the code, you and your fellow teammates gave some comments after each line to explain why this code was used. So, how to write a comment in HTML? I'll give a less than sign, an exclamation sign, and 2 subtraction signs. This is the start of the comment tag. After that, give 2 subtraction signs and a greater than sign. This is the end of the comment tag. What you write between the comment tags is considered as a comment, and it never shows as an output. It will always be an internal note. Underline. Simply use the U tag. In the input section, the text you write is shown underlined in the browser, for example. This is an underlined text. Here you can see. Highlight. Use mark tag. Input. This is a highlighted text, and it is done. But text formatting isn't just about underlining or marking lines. There are many elements for styling the text, such as the italic element. Use I tag. Input. This is an italic text. Let's see what output has come on the page. See, the characters are slanted right. Another element is bold. Use the B tag. It makes your text bold. Let's see. It is done. Next is delete element. It gives a cut line in mid of the text. Use del tag. Del means delete. And here is the output. The next element is quotation. Use Q tag, which shows the text between the quotation marks. Next is the small element, which makes your text size a little smaller. When you look at the page, you will see that each text is on a single line, and it is a bit confusing. For this, use a line break tag or BR tag. This tag does not have an end tag. Now you can see each section starts with a new line. If you want a horizontal line, use the HR tag. It also doesn't have an end tag like the line break tag. In chemistry, we know that the molecular symbol for water is H2O. Here, the 2 is on the bottom of the H. This is called a subscript. And in mathematics, we learned that the Pythagorean equation is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Here, the square is known as a superscript. In HTML, we can write subscripts with the SUB tag and superscripts with the SUP tag. As you can see, now there are all the text formatting elements that you need to know. There are some more rarely used text elements that most HTML courses ignore them. But I will teach you all tags. One of them is the abbreviation tag, or ABBR tag. It works in short forms such as USA. Suppose some of the users don't know what is the full form of the USA, which is very surprising. So, you can make an abbreviation tag with a title attribute. If you don't know what the attribute is, so watch the first video of the playlist. In the input, give the sort form. Then, provide the full form in the title attribute. Here you can see that when I hover the mouse over the text shows me the full form. The code tag is used to define the programming code. The KBD tag is used to define key shortcuts. The simple tag is used to define the simple output. Emphasize tag used to emphasize italic text. Variable tags are used to give mathematical equations on the page. Strong tag works the same as bold tag, but it has a semantic meaning. Strong tags are used to indicate some important text. Insert tag. In HTML, the insert tag is used to represent text that has been inserted into a document. Works the same as the underline tag. These are all HTML formatting text elements. If I forget something, please comment here. If you don't like my explanation or want to gather more information, at least now you know what need to search in Google. I will soon upload the practice video, so please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.